Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Amra is practicing to participate in an upcoming marathon. She runs 2 kilometers every day. So, what is the total distance she covered in the month of January? So, first of all, we know that the number of days in the month of January is 31, and it is given that Amra run each day a distance of 2 kilometer. So, using unitary method, we can find out the distance. Using unitary method, we can find out the distance she will run in 31 days. So, she will run in 31 days, which is equal to 31 multiplied by 2 kilometer, because she is running 2 kilometer each day. So, this gives 62 kilometer. So, this is asked in the question because 31 January has 31 days. So, we can say that the total distance covered by her in the month of January is 62 kilometer, and 62 kilometer is option A. So, the answer is option A.